We're getting some more breaking news from Maharashtra now. There is a response by Devendra Fadnavis, and he goes on to say, and I'm quoting from his big statement that he's made, if they decide to make me the Chief Minister, I will take on that duty. Once that decision for Chief Minister has been made, we will decide on other ministerial posts, keeping in mind the wishes of the alliance partners. My colleague Yesha Kotak continues to be with us on the broadcast. Yesha, Mr. Fadnavis is already speaking like a Chief Minister now.
He is speaking like a chief minister, but now, in fact, what needs to be seen is that what happens next, considering the fact that discussions are to be held. As of now, there's no clarity from the central ministry. What happens next is something that one has to wait and watch, because what's important to note as of now is that all the parties have kept a stance that discussion is yet to be held with the senior leadership of BJP. That the central leadership of BJP, apart from the discussion between all the three leaders, that's Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis, and Ajit Pawar, is to be held. So what happens next is something that's important to note, and which is where we'll have to wait to see what happens next. But when it comes to Devendra Fadnavis, he's already clarified that the chief minister could be from BJP. That's something that will be decided by Prime Minister and Home Minister Amit Shah. So, of course, the ball now is in the court of the central leadership of BJP. But apart from that, these, discussions about the seat sharing is something that is also important. Of course, there was a buzz that Eknath Shinde is demanding some key portfolios if he's not given the chief minister position. All of these details have emerged, but whether his demand of becoming a chief minister is something that we accept, or whether it be BJP chief minister, is something that we'll have to wait to see. Yes.
Right, Yesha, stay with us. We also have Payal Mehta join us. Payal, would we have any clarity on the ministerial berths or the key portfolios? How will the alliance partners be made happy, if at all, this decision that is impending, that Devendra Fadnavis will be made the chief minister? Which way will it swing when it is about the much of the share of the pie given to all the three alliance partners?
Griha, I wish I was an astrologer and I was able to tell you exactly what is going to happen, but that's not the case. The least of the problems for anybody right now is ministerial berths. The most important question which remains unanswered is the fact that who will don the chair of the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. One has to understand that the BJP has a lot to answer their party cadre. They've got a whopping 137 seats. So at this point in time, if they do not have a BJP Chief Minister, there's a lot for them to answer. Probably that's going to demoralize their workers, because when 2.5 years ago the new government was formed, Eknath Shinde was given the chief ministerial post, and back then also the party workers felt that we should have had our own chief minister. And Devendra Fadnavis undoubtedly is the largest contender as far as that post is really concerned. But whether the BJP decides to go with that or bringing in a new face, because remember Bhajanlal Sharma, Mohan Yadav and the Odisha chief minister came from nowhere. They were the backbenchers of sorts. They were given that post as well. So you never know what the BJP leadership will want to do. Probably they will want to envisage a larger role in terms of leadership for Devendra Fadnavis, looking at the fact that he's a young, dynamic leader. What happens as far as that is concerned? But the happiest right now will be one party, and that's of course NCP, because they don't have to worry about vying for the post of the chief minister. So obviously Ajit Pawar must be sitting with his legs up on the table, essentially waiting to see things to unfold. But what Eknath Shinde tells you at 3 o'clock in the afternoon when he does a press conference will actually hold the key.
Yes.
Whether or not he'll decide to give us some clarity on that. But for now, it's an extremely tight-lipped leadership there in the state. And over here also, we've been chasing all the BJP leaders, whether it's Home Minister Amit Shah or probably the other leaders from the state. They are extremely tight-lipped. They are saying that only the media seems to be in a hurry to find the new Chief Minister of Maharashtra. We are not in a hurry because we have enough time on our hands.
But Payal, what really explains this latest statement by Devendra Fadnavis? This, of course, comes from the fact that he has been given some feelers. And even though you are saying that BJP is known to spring a lot of surprises, it's pretty unlikely that if at all it is a BJP face who would be made the chief minister, it would not be Devendra Fadnavis. Of course, it is going to be that. But what then explains this delay, considering even the alliance partners, especially the Shiv Sena, have also sort of given a go-ahead that they are not going to break away from the alliance in any possibility?
Well, it doesn't look as simple as it does to us, because there's a lot of layering that the BJP and the alliance partners need to look into. What respectability can be given to Shinde, who came at an unconditional support, in the last time the government was formed. Also, what remains to be seen, there are many more elections that are to be fought. The municipal elections, especially to the BMC, whether Shiv Sena could have a crucial hand also remains to be seen. And also the BJP leadership also understands that to humble Uddhav Thackeray, you needed an Eknath Shinde. to be able to reduce him to practically 20 seats. It's been done because they've had similar vote banks as well. In the upcoming elections, also, Shinde could play a crucial role. And then the BJP leadership, Rhea in the past was accused of being unfair to Uddhav Thackeray and refused to, adhere to his demand for 2.5 years. That also plays at the back of the BJP leadership as well. And Devendra Fadnavis's audience is not you and me. Devendra Fadnavis's audience is the people of Maharashtra. His audience is the party workers who are waiting to see him don that chair. That's the reason it's a very, very confident Devendra Fadnavis there. And why shouldn't he be? It is under his leadership that the party won 137 seats, a very, very crucial number, probably never seen in the history of Maharashtra as far as the saffron party is really concerned. So that is something which he, of course, is drawing in a lot of, strength from, and he does understand that, yes, of course, and anybody who's aware of the Maharashtra political scenario will tell you that he is undoubtedly the tallest leader, probably in the ranks of the BJP as well. So obviously he's fancying his chances, and his party supporters want him to feel that chair. But what really happens, and the reason that I cited the example of Mohan Yadav and the others is because the BJP is often sprung in surprises as well.
Yes.
So obviously that remains to be seen how it pans out. But for now, it has to be an extremely confident Devendra Fadnavis. But like I said, all eyes will be on what Eknath Shinde tells you in a press conference. This is going to take place just a few minutes later.
Absolutely, and Payal, obviously he has had his fair share of weight. We have to give it to the man. But let's listen into what he said once again about whether or not he's being given that chief ministerial role and what happens next.
आधी मुख्यमंत्री ठरेल तर मग मुख्यमंत्री मंत्री ठरवतील. त्यामुळे मला असं वाटतं की आधी मुख्यमंत्र्यांची वाट पाहावी, त्यानंतर मंत्र्यांची पण जी काही नावं आहेत ती आपल्याला लक्षात येईल. आधी मुख्यमंत्री ठरेल तर मग मुख्यमंत्री मंत्री ठरवतील. त्यामुळे मला असं वाटतं की आधी मुख्यमंत्र्यांची वाट पाहावी, त्यानंतर मंत्र्यांची पण जी काही नावं आहेत ती आपल्याला लक्षात येईल.
And my colleague Yesha is with us. Yesha, during that course of conversation with Payal, we were also talking about that big meeting in Thane at Eknath Shinde's residence that is planned in a short while from now. What really do you think can be expected out of there? Is Eknath Shinde planning to get his cadre and the Shiv Sena leaders really ready for that big decision?
So, we, as far as our sources in the Eknath Shinde's camp are concerned, they've spoken about how Eknath Shinde is going to put forth his stand as of now. So, yes, over the last couple of days, this is one point that's pretty clear, is that Shiv Senics, members of Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena, they want to see Eknath Shinde as a chief minister because their stance is that it was under the leadership of Eknath Shinde is where the party headed into the polls. This was a statement that has been put for the Mahayuti time and again that they're contesting elections on the leadership of Eknath Shinde, and this which is where this stance has been put forth. In fact, what also comes to forth is that Eknath Shinde is seen as someone who thoroughly abided by what's expected of him. Apart from that, he also ensured that the Maratha Morcha issue, because him being a Maratha himself, he was able to pacify the voters, he was able to pacify the Maratha agitators and ensure that they could give that big win, particularly in Marathwada and Vidarbha, which was the reason that we saw Mahayuti did not score well in the Lok Sabha. But now this is a chance.
Absolutely, the assembly is a different story. Yesha, we'll keep an eye on that. But right now we're shifting our focus. We're getting some